Okay, here I go. I am so late on this video for How Do You Do. I took the tea time kit that we were given and I made an envelope journal. And here's a few of, remember this is a wallpaper piece that I had. And some of the lovely tea time ephemera sayings. Look at the strings. This is a paper bag, one of the little minis. Threw a few things in there. Here's a little magnet clip. Another little tag with some tea bag behind there. And I used a lot of my jelly prints on the back. So it opens up, and it's way too big for my camera, but here's one side, here's the center, and the other side. And I'll go back to the center. These are number 10 envelopes with some napkin, and two sides, and it opens up even more. And I again use the oh, there goes my brain. I used the wallpaper that I found. Little note. They double-sided the little note pages. And another. Oops. About dropped that one. Aren't those cute? I'm sure that the family member that gets this is going to like it. I use a little tea bag to hold some of the little circles. I just backed it with black craft paper. Another little pocket. Some of the papers on the back of the little mini tags. I had a couple other mini tags. I think I lost them somewhere along the way. I've actually had this envelope done way in November when we were supposed to be releasing it, and I just have not had time to sit down and get this video done. But here I am. So here's the other side. Again, more of the card, the little tags, another bag, and some more tags in here, and the double-sided little notepad. I think there's another one in there. Isn't that cute? So there's that. We'll move over here. And again, we have tea bags with the little circles. It seems to be falling over here. There's some of the little smaller tags, again with jelly prints on the back. The double-sided tags, oops. There's even some tags in here. Another little note. This is one of the prints. Again, more. As you can tell, I'm into a little bit of the darker grungy little things. But I do like to throw a little color in there. So there's that, and then the other side, which is actually the front of the envelope journal, again, opens up, and we have another tea bag. Uh-oh, gonna have to fix that. I pulled a little too hard. Got those? Cute. Just, they're really, really nice kit. Some more note tags. And some more over here. Hopefully you can see those. Fold that one in first. And then over here we have some more. And then these actually go on the front, and I had pulled them off. I don't think I showed them. I love the sari ribbon, but it likes to fray a lot, and I'm okay with the mess. Okay, this folds. Tuck back in. And tie this back up. And I did use a lot of sari ribbon going on the edges. I just didn't like how it looked. Here's the back or bottom. Just didn't like how it looked with the edges just kind of open. I used tea bags in some places, and then I just popped in the blue and the turquoise. So I just thought it went so well with the colors in the kit. So there we go. I know it was a quick video, and maybe at some point I'll take screenshots. I'm not sure. I'm going to be wrapping this up for Christmas, and hopefully everybody forgives me for being so late, and thank you for letting me play. Bye.